Hey, how's it going? This is Pikachu. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up a Coinbase account, how to use Coinbase, which is really the #1 exchange out there, most trusted by the people and used. I'm going to give you an overview and see if Coinbase is for you. Will be the best option for yourself? I'll share with you all the details you need to know before you set up your account and explain a little more about what Coinbase is, how to use it. So basically, this is a Coinbase tutorial, step-by-step for beginners. Coinbase is an exchange that allows you to convert your fiat currency, like your US dollars or whatever country you're from, your money into cryptocurrency. You can buy crypto, sell crypto at any time, connect your bank account with Coinbase, and it does give you all this security features and everything to store and keep your funds safe. So if you're a first-time Bitcoin or a cryptocurrency buyer, welcome. Let's get right into it. But first, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video again, and hit that bell notification so you're always informed with the next video. We'll have to share with people how they can collect real wealth assets, against the inflation of the dollar in the bad economy. With everything that's going on, you can protect yourself with real wealth assets that can potentially grow in value and duplicate your money for you, right? So with that said, let's go ahead and get into this step-by-step Coinbase tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to go over here to CoinMarketCap, which is an index of all the cryptocurrencies in the market and the different markets like exchanges. This will allow you to get a little more information on the different, exchanges before you set it up. So we can go over here to exchanges. There's 382 of them. We'll click there, and Coinbase is going to be on the top of the list there, and you're going to see what country currency they allow you to transact with. So you can buy cryptocurrency with US dollar, euro, like the British pound, right? So you can see the different options here that they do offer. So if you're transacting with a different kind of currency that you like to buy crypto with, then Coinbase will probably not be the best option for you. Make sense? Maybe another crypto like Binance would be best, which we'll have a tutorial video on that as well. Or Kraken is another good one that has more options. And I'll have more of these videos in my description as well. But if you'd like to go ahead with Coinbase, like if you're from US or UK, this is a great exchange to use. They do support 67 of the main cryptocurrencies. So if you're just getting started, you don't need any more than this. They do hold the main ones that have a bright future for the most part. Now, for you to actually get a free reward, you can get $10 free in Bitcoin when you actually buy about $100 worth of crypto. But in order to do that, you have to go through the link below this video. It's going to be the first link in my description. Somebody else invites you who's already a Coinbase holder. Only then will you get this reward. So that's pretty cool. So you can get 10 extra free dollars of Bitcoin when you buy like $100. I'd buy a little more, like 105, to cover any fees. So click that link. It'll take you to this page. You'll just set up yourself an account, your first, last name, choose a password, select that you agree, you're over 18 and all that fun stuff, and create yourself an account and just follow the steps of setting up your account, incorporating all the security features, putting in all your legal information. So, you have full control over your account, your funds, and it's secured. I'm actually inside my Coinbase account that I already set up. I went through the setup features, and some of the setup features, when you go to your logo icon up here, just covering some personal information there, you can go to learn more about the taxes and stuff and the help support desk. You can chat with a person, right, if you have any issues with your account when you're going through the setup. But the settings over here, you'll see all the features here, like your security features, your different preferences, like payment methods, right? This is where you can link up with your bank account and just you can instantly deposit money into here and buy Bitcoin or any of the cryptocurrency coins that they hold. Make sense? And then at any time you can go to these main navigations like your portfolio or the home page. Let's click there. As you can see, I don't have much of a balance here, but it'll show how much total cryptocurrency you hold, the current value of each coin, and when you click trade, let's say Bitcoin, it'll allow you to buy $10, $50, $100, $1,000 or more. You can buy or sell, convert it to another crypto, and you can pay with your bank account as long as it's linked. Make sense? And in your portfolio, it'll show you your cryptocurrency wallets. Like each coin will have its own wallet. Your US dollar wallet, from there you can buy any crypto you'd like or sell it back to your US dollar balance. And anytime you can even withdraw back to your bank account. You can buy and sell. For instance, if I wanted to sell, I can sell my Bitcoin and put it in my cash wallet here, right? But when I go to my US dollar wallet, when I click on it, as you can see, I have all these transactions going on here. I will have another video on Coinbase Pro, which is a sister company kind of to Coinbase. It's their trading platform. And this is where I hold most of my funds. That's why I don't have that much of a balance on Coinbase. But they do link together, so you do need to first set up a Coinbase account, okay? So go ahead and just follow through with this. And if you're just buying a little bit of Bitcoin or something in the beginning, Coinbase is all you need to start with, okay? So at any time, I can withdraw the amount or withdraw the full amount, continue, and it can transfer directly back to my bank account. Make sense? You can earn rewards and things like this that we'll talk about in a different video with Coinbase. But have fun, play with it, get your account set up. And if Coinbase is right for you, Coinbase is the first exchange I started with years back. I've been using them for a while now. They give you all the main cryptocurrencies. It's easy to buy and sell. You can even buy with a credit card. You can go through the setting options here and just learn the platform. You have their support at any time. And unlike some exchanges, they actually do link directly to your bank account. They allow you to buy with a credit card and give you very easy options. And they're very user-friendly interface as well. That's why I like them. Again, you can just click below. Go ahead and set up your account with Coinbase. And happy buying crypto. Hey, give me a thumbs up if you found value in this. Feel free to share this video with anyone else you think it can benefit. And let me know in the comments if this made sense and this was helpful. I also, in my description below, I'll also have some resources for you, and I'll have other videos that will share with you different crypto exchanges if in case this one may not be the best fit for you. But also, if you do have a Coinbase account, I'm going to actually also link out a video to Coinbase Pro, which is a sister company of Coinbase, where there's a lot less fees, and it's Coinbase's basically trading account where the fees are much smaller. And I actually will have a video on that as well. And this is where I hold more funds in there because the fees are smaller, but also they link together. These work well together and allow you to save a lot more on transaction fees and things like that, right? So I'll have that below, but I also have other resources if you want to actually have trading done for you and duplicate your cryptocurrency and put it to work and not just hold it. I also have a great resource for that. Basically exactly what we use, where we have live traders trade for us and increase our cryptocurrency. With that said, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for other videos, other things that have coming your way. We share with people how they can create, financial freedom, stack up on wealth assets, and also the different ins and outs and everything you need to know about the cryptocurrency market, the precious metals market, regardless what walk in life you are. The average person right now can stack up on real wealth. There's a big transference of wealth that's happening in 2021 and beyond. It's a great time to get into things like cryptocurrency, learn about it, hold it, start using it, start transacting with it. And right now, things like Bitcoin and perhaps other cryptos are starting to be accepted as even legal tender in some parts of the world. And some people are living completely off cryptocurrency. And there's going to be different videos that I'll be sharing with you on that as well, how that can be beneficial. Why not put it into something that can continue to grow in value as our fiat currency is depreciating, right? So you are on the winning side. And with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.